Good morning, everyone. Well, today I'm still trying to put away these things that I went through yesterday. Now I put away my the kites because they're spraying, and I've got the St. Patrick's Day things. And then I got to these, and I'm thinking that, oh, they all must be love or marriage or Valentine's Day, because I had these in it and they were on the top. And then I get to some that are cool gold star. Now this, I guess I could put in sports, because I could use that for the kids when they do sports. Okay, so I'm gonna put that someplace else. Cool, maybe in boys. I don't know. This is where I need your help. Okay, life is good. I mean, I'm trying to think of generic things where maybe they'll get used. You make me smile. I could maybe put this with cameras, because I do have cameras, like perfect with the camera on it. This other one with the camera on it, and this one photo op and capture. Okay, so I think I'll put you make me smile with that, because that way maybe I'll at least think, oh yeah, I got something in there, because I would like to use them. I mean, they can be titles, but I also have favorite, hello, today, and happy, and the life is good. What was underneath that? And cool. So if you got any suggestions. Oh, and then I have perfect and favorite, where I think I have camera on, yeah, perfect with the camera. So I mean, that could be camera, but it could be anything. So just some suggestions, because I can't put it with cards, because I just can't have a card section, because they just don't get looked at. Okay, so these I'm putting with Valentine's Day. Okay, or love or marriage, like this here. Like here would be good. These are hearts. They're hard to see, but they are hearts. Now this is one of those. It's not a very good one. Let's see. I bought some and they have like stitching in between, but that it shortens the space that I actually get. So if they're too big, I need to put them here. Okay, I'm gonna turn the heart on this side so I can see that when I'm looking through them. Whoops, wrong way. Nope, that should be the way, right? Maybe. Oh, it's upside down. And then it's on the wrong side. How's that? It is. Okay. And then I have, I'm gonna stick that in here. I could put the smaller cards in the other one, but I'm just gonna put those ones together, because that way they're together. Put them together so they're together. Okay, and I think I just, no. Then I have these. I think I'll flip one over so I can see it. And then I thought this, I promised I could go kind of wedding or love. And these ones I just die cut, and I thought they were just too pretty to put anything on them. This one here, this is a big one. Can I fit it in there? Maybe. Yep, okay. And this one I have two that look similar. So I'll just put those here. And then I have these. I don't think those would fit. Maybe they fit in that other size, where it's a little smaller. Let's see. Oh yeah, that works. And then maybe I've got some little tiny Valentines in here. I'll put those, but they're too wide for the narrow one. So I'll put those in there and put this in here. Okay. And then I do have a binder that has cameras in it. And so I'll probably put these ones in there. Oh, this is another, this one says You and Me, and it was an embellishment from a swap from Cara. And let's see, where can I put that? Oh, I can put that on the other side. Well, actually, it could go in a smaller section. I'm gonna do that because I have a smaller section. Gotta make my space count. Okay. And then I will put these in camera. If you got any ideas of these ones that say favorite, this is another favorite. It could be favorite picture. It could be perfect picture. But if I can put them in another section, life is good, cool, happy. Today, I almost feel like maybe I need to have, somebody told me that they have one that's just titles. I maybe need to do that. A little binder, it's just things that maybe could be a title. And maybe once I get my Ikea thing put up, maybe I could do that. That's supposed to be here tomorrow, so I'll probably be working on that then. Okay. Well, actually, when you see this, I should be putting it together. Well, no, because I'm sure they're not gonna deliver it at 4 o'clock in the morning. Okay, I'm gonna go put this away and grab something else, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I'm opened up to birthday. So I have some birthday stickers and then some birthday embellishments from a swap, and I just need to find a place where they fit well. These can actually fit in a smaller section. That one's already got some stuff, but these are just little stickers. I think I'm going to stick it right behind there if I can get it in there without catching it too much, which appears to be impossible. There. Okay. Okay, and as I've been going through stuff, or putting stuff away, if I see something that I think I'm just not going to use that, I've been putting it away. Okay. Did I put away all the birthday stuff? Okay, those knits here. These are just so cute. Okay, and I think they'll fit in here, but I could be wrong. Maybe if I take them out, and that way I'll see them better too. Okay. And then I have these, and I know I have 2 more bags someplace, but I think I left them with the girls' birthday books. And these are probably too big to put in here. But maybe the other one. Let's see if I got one that doesn't have that stitching in between. Nope. Here's one. These are just so cute. I love the balloon animals. And they're, I'm pretty sure Hobby Lobby. Yeah, Paper Studio. And can I get them in there? No, I cannot. I wonder if I can get them in there if I just take them out of the bag. I might just stick to the rest in the front, but I think it'd be good to have one in here because I think I'd pay attention to it more. These scissors, they're Fiskars, but they're tightened up. Has anybody else noticed that? It's like as you cut with them, they get tighter, and then it's like I can hardly open them. I don't understand it. I got some small ones like that too that have done that. Oh yeah, that's nice. You know what? I think I'm gonna open them all up and stick them in there. Because these are so cute. I'm sure I'll use them. And I'll save one label so I remember what they're called. This cracks me up that there is a place for the label. Okay. Oh, I'm very excited to get my new desk because this one always hurts my back, and sometimes I think I'm just at the wrong height for the desk. And so by the time I'm done, it's like I'm really done. Okay, I've lost that little piece of plastic, but I'm sure it'll show up here sooner or later. Okay, I see one. And then I'm sticking this in there. I'll stick one this way. I still don't see that piece of plastic. Oh well. Got a lot of birthday stuff. But you know, you got 8 grandkids, you got birthdays times 8 all year round. I mean, all year long. Okay, and then I have, well, exercising, and then some other stuff, okay? And, okay, I'm gonna have to go put some more of this other stuff away. I don't know how long I've been on here, but I think I'll quit filming today. I'll try to get some more done, and I'll be back tomorrow. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Thanks for hanging out with me. Bye-bye.